Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Brown Knives LHC-X here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. This guy comes with this pretty cool kind of like Pele case with the Brown Knives logo right over here. It's waterproof, it's nicely done, has some foam in with this cord right attached to the side, but whatever. Inside we've got the LHC-X knife from Brown Knives, and it's a very, very nice one, I have to say. Overall length of this guy is going to be 7.7 inches with a 3.5 inch long blade and roughly 4.4 inches long handle, and overall nice construction. It's titanium liner lock with micarta milled scales. Pivot is not spinning, which is fantastic. You're gonna need a T8 Torx bit screw just to take this apart, and it's a breeze. It's a pleasure. It's super simple construction, sleek design, titanium milled backspacer, titanium matching pocket clip, nice retention. Logo on the clip, logo on the pivot. It's a flipper with a very, very low profile flipper tab. Nicely done, I have to say it. The blade is, it's very, very attractive. You got some nice jimping, a little bit of swedge, subtle. This plunge grind, like curved plunge grind with this, I mean, it's gorgeous. Stonewash finish, full flat grind, really thin behind the edge. You get a little bit of finger choil going on over here. Stainless steel insert. You've got absolutely centered blade. You have 3 ounces weight in the pocket, but the sound very quiet. Oops. Very discreet sound. Pleasant. Quiet. Incredibly listenable. Mellow. It's subtle. I like it. The grip is really good. You have a little bit of jimping going on over here. Nice textured handle. It's grippy. There's no hot spots. It feels good in the hand. And overall, the action, guys, this is the highlight of this knife. It's absolutely incredible. Look at this. Like, it falls shut in a controlled way without the need of any wiggle. It's really cool. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you... But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.